When you search for the best USB-C car phone charger, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LISEN Retractable Car Charger. Let's kick things off with the LISEN Retractable Car Charger. This one caught my eye with its sleek design and practical retractable cables, and at $16.14, it's priced right for anyone looking to upgrade their car charging game. If you want a clutter-free solution that keeps your devices charged on the go, this is worth a serious look. It's equipped with 2 retractable cables, one for Type-C and the other for older Apple devices, extending up to 31.5 inches. This matters because being able to reach your devices anywhere in the car makes a huge difference on long trips. With a 4.6-star rating from over 18,500 reviews, it's clear that many people trust this product. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for fast charging and not worried about those features, it's still an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you're someone who hates cable clutter and wants a reliable, fast charger for road trips. Skip this one if you need a charger that supports CarPlay. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the lack of advanced features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LISEN 90W Car Charger. Next up is the LISEN 90W Car Charger, priced at $16.99. This one stands out with its super fast charging capabilities and a built-in coiled cable that keeps things neat. If you want a charger that can power up your devices quickly and efficiently, this one's worth your time. With the ability to charge your iPhone 17 or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from 0% to 80% in just 30 minutes, this charger drastically reduces your charging downtime. It features a 45W USB-C output and an 18W USB-A port, so you can keep multiple devices charged without waiting long. However, some users found the coiled cable a bit short for their needs, which can be frustrating. But honestly, if you're looking for something to keep your dashboard tidy without multiple cables, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you regularly drive with friends or family who need to charge simultaneously. Skip this if you prefer longer cables for convenience. At this price point, it packs a lot of power for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a mini charger without sacrificing performance. Product number 3, LISEN 69W Car Charger. Now let's talk about the LISEN 69W Car Charger, which comes in at just $9.99. This is an absolute steal for anyone who wants a simple, effective charging solution. If you're looking for something compact yet powerful, keep listening. It's engineered to distribute power efficiently, which means less heat and safer charging. With a 4.6-star rating from over 13,000 reviews, users love how clean and modern their car interiors look without the clutter of multiple cables. However, a few users noted that it might struggle to charge multiple high-power devices at once. Here's the thing, though. If you typically charge one device at a time, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, compact charger that's easy to carry for road trips. Skip this one if you need to charge several devices simultaneously. For under $10, it's a bargain. Now, if you want something with more power options, the next one on our list might catch your eye. Product number 4, LISEN 90W USB-C Charger. Next, we have the LISEN 90W USB-C charger, also at $9.99. This charger is a bit unique with dual USB-C ports, making it super handy for anyone with multiple devices. If you need to charge 2 high-power devices quickly, you'll want to stick around. The standout feature here is that each USB-C port can deliver up to 45W of power, meaning you can charge an iPhone 17 Pro Max and an iPad simultaneously, both at lightning speed. This is a big deal when you're in a rush. It also has a compact design that fits snugly in your car's lighter port, keeping your setup looking clean. With over 1,900 reviews and a strong 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. But be aware that some users mention the need for high-quality cables to maximize its performance. Honestly, if you're already using good cables, this won't be a problem for you. This is perfect for you if you often travel with multiple devices that need charging. Skip this one if you don't use USB-C devices. For just under $10, it's a great value. Finally, if you're looking for something that combines fast charging with a retractable design, the last one might just be what you need. Product number 5. LISEN Retractable Car Charger USB-C. Last but not least, we have the LISEN Retractable Car Charger USB-C priced at $16.99. This one is all about speed and practicality. If you want a charger that can handle multiple devices without the mess, this is definitely worth checking out. This charger features a powerful 75W output, allowing you to fast charge your devices with ease. It's designed to plug into both 12V and 24V sockets, making it versatile for different vehicles. The retractable design keeps everything tidy, which is great for anyone who hates cable clutter. With more than 5,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many find it useful. However, some users pointed out that it's a bit bulkier than expected, which can be an issue in tight spaces. But honestly, if you value fast charging and keeping your car organized, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a combination of fast charging and a clean, organized design. Skip this if you need a slim charger that doesn't take up much space. For the price, it's a solid investment. So there you have it, the top 5 USB-C car phone chargers. From fast charging options to organization solutions, there's something here for everyone. To quickly recap, we've covered the LISEN retractable car charger, the 90W car charger, the 69W car charger, the 90W USB-C charger, and finally the retractable car charger USB-C. Each has its strengths, whether it's speed, compactness, or features. Happy charging!